If you're experiencing payment issues on the SBA portal, follow these steps to quickly resolve them. This guide will help you troubleshoot and address common problems efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues when trying to make payments or access the portal. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Review payment information. Double-check the payment information you are entering, including bank account details or credit card information. Ensure that all details are accurate and up-to-date. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause issues with online portals. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try accessing the SBA portal again. Step 5. Contact SBA support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to SBA customer support. Provide them with details of the problem and they can assist you in resolving the payment issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment issues on the SBA portal quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.